2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this look by Enchanted Nails by Kelly. I will put her Instagram on the screen. Make sure you follow her. Her work is amazing. It was super simple and I really love the way it turned out. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm using 123 Gold's, which is Enail Couture's full cover tips. And I'm going to use the Macart nail art foil glue. I'm going to put that all over the nail. Then we're going to cure it for 30 seconds. I'm going to grab this gold foil. Just any gold foil will do. I'm just going to randomly place it on the nail. You know what I mean? It's kind of like that. And then I'm going to use this Artist Bio Seaweed Gel, which is a blooming gel. And I'm going to put that all over the nail. Okay, so once you put the blooming gel on, you're going to grab your brown, use the dotting tool, and we're going to take some of that polish and we're just randomly going to drop it on the nail. I'm just going to let it spread out and then we're going to cure it.